It was my passion always was to decrease clients' taxes and increase their net worth. That was our mantra, that was our mission, that was our vision, that was our values. We never veered from that from the first day to the last day. And over the years that I've known Brian, that's what I've noticed in his firm as well. So it was a really good matchup there. My name is Tom Bowman. I have owned the Bowman and Company firm for over 35 years now. Just recently transitioned it over to CSI. You know, we started from scratch. We had no clients when we started in my basement, and built it over those 35 years. When I ended the firm, I had a general manager and I had a salesperson, and everything was in place, and I was able to really work on the business just like Brian has done with his firm as well. Yeah, I've known Brian. I don't remember the exact number of years, but it's been 15 to 20 years or so. Met him through our accounting organization called the Professional Association of Small Business Accountants. Always held him in high esteem, probably one of the most highly respected members really in our organization. He's been the president, he's been on the board, he's created a blueprint sales university to teach people how to sell. Just been a phenomenal member and a witty and funny guy to boot. So always have enjoyed getting together with him socially. He always talked about running a model practice, and of course with these conferences that we go to, we only see what they say. We don't really see how it goes on. But once I've seen him here and I've seen him interact with clients and with the team members, what he has been saying, he has actually been doing in his firm. So I just can't say enough about about the respect that I have for Brian. Seeing the videos and just everything that I see is just first class. Everybody in the firm just seems to be all in the same mission and serving clients, and but at the same time, having fun and being part of a family. So that's kind of what I noticed in the month or two or so that since the transition. I sold my firm 2 years ago, and I remain so passionate about helping people, and specifically again helping people reduce their taxes and increase their net worth. And that's the system that I built over the 35 years, doing initial strategy sessions with them when they come on, maintaining monthly records. Who doesn't want timely monthly records to look at, and doing tax planning. We do a full tax plan in the last quarter of the year, and then of course following up with tax returns and things. But I'm just passionate about the changes that we make and have made over the years in people's lives. Sent kids to college, and we've put put people into retirement because we've helped them with their business and saved money on taxes. And I still get even though I don't I have a small ownership now, I still get a kick out of it when I hear somebody that they've done that for, and especially if it's been one of the clients that I had when I was here. As soon as I heard Brian's name mentioned as a potential buyer, I was just on that, and I could hardly wait to get signed up again because of our long-term relationship. I've just seen a night and day difference. There've been changes in culture and technology and especially communication. Not only with the team members, but with the clients. I've had a number of clients already reach out to me and say, geez, we've gotten a lot of communication. We're going to stay and we're going to hang out. There's been a number of obstacles that Brian has endured here, and I just admire his perseverance and his adversity and just tackling them and overcoming them. And he just takes it in stride. He just methodically goes about this. And when he took this over, there were things, and he knew the things that he had to do, and he had them. Never seen him actually take a note or anything, but he keeps a lot of things in his head, and he just goes about things in a business manner. I have high respect for him as a business person. What he's just done so far has just been phenomenal, I think.